Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechMate Video, and today we're going to see how to insert a lines on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So, how to insert line on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. For an example, here I just going to have a shape here and just going to copy this, and here I just going to paste this. So I just want to link this to data. So I just need line, right? So now you just go inside the insert option and click on the shape option. And here you will see an option called line. So arrows and double arrows, elbow connector like that. So you can just use anything. For example, I just clicked on the elbow connector. So you just click on this and you can just move here. You can also extend this elbow connector to connect to the point that you like that. For example, it's here it automatically extended and you can see it's connected. So you can just use different lines like this two. So for an example, I just going to click on this first and I'm just going to move this and I'm just going to extend this arrow to this position, and you can see it automatically adjusts to the line and it connected. You can also change the color. Click on this and you will just go inside the shape option, tape, right click here, and here you can find the outline option color. So you can just change to black. The same process, click on the line, right click here and just change the outline to which color you just needed. For an example, red color. So this is how you just use the lines option on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate. Be unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.